For almost everyone, buying a home without a mortgage just simply isn't an option. So how can you increase your chances of getting a mortgage for the first time? Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now on this channel, I break down the world of mortgages for first time buyers all across the UK. Now if this sounds something a bit of you, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel. All right, so let's talk about how to improve your chances of securing that all important mortgage. Now I know it can feel a little bit overwhelming, but there are several steps that you can take to boost your chances. So number one, let's take a look at your credit score. Now, there isn't a strict minimum score that you need to buy a house. That's a little bit of a myth, but typically the higher the score, the better the chances of landing a more favorable mortgage deal. And by that, I mean having access to a high street bank or a lender and potentially a better interest rate that you're gonna have to pay over probably 25, 35 years. There's videos on our channel all about mortgage terms. Now, check your credit score before applying for a mortgage. Understanding where you stand can really help you figure out if there's any work to be done before you start that application process. Now, if you have a low credit score, it's really important that you don't panic.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody calm down.
You can still potentially get a mortgage if your score is low, or even if you have no credit. A low score doesn't necessarily mean you've done something wrong. Now, I do have videos on this channel about ways to improve and boost that score, so we'll leave them in the description box below. Numero dos. Use a mortgage broker, UKMC ideally. Now, a mortgage broker can be a lifesaver when you're trying to navigate the maze of mortgage products that are out there. And I mean a maze, there's literally thousands of products to look through. Now, we can be especially useful if you're self-employed or have variable earnings, as we can help you find the right solutions or options tailored to your situation. We'll be able to search through the whole of the market, which is, as I said before, is thousands of those products, to make sure that you've got a deal that suits you, your circumstances, and the potential future purchase. Now, I'm going to stop talking about using a broker more because I could just go on and on all day and nobody really wants to listen to my dulcet tones any longer than they need to.
Count yourself lucky. I need to edit this guy 24/7. Oh God.
But instead, I'm going to say, look us up on Trust Index, social media, Google, or our website and see for yourself. So moving on to number three, look into the government schemes. Don't forget there's help available to you as a first-time buyer, from the deposit unlock, mortgage guarantee scheme, and even 0% deposit mortgages. Now, rather than breaking each one of these down, again, I've got videos explaining each scheme already, so I'll leave them linked below so you can find out more and check to see if you are eligible as a first-time buyer for one of those schemes. Now, alongside the buying schemes, we also have the lifetime ISA, which is designed to help you save more towards your deposit. Now, when you're using the ISA to buy your first home, the government will add a 25% bonus to your savings, and that bonus is capped at £1,000 per year as well. So it's a neat little way. If you can save £4 a year, you're going to get £1,000 back. Now again, I've done another video breaking all this down, so make sure you do check it out for this video. And finally, number four is try and save a significant deposit, or certainly as much as you physically can towards the purchase. The more you can save, the better it will be for you. A substantial deposit can unlock some of the best mortgage deals and lower interest rates. Now, whilst it's possible to find mortgages that only require a 5% deposit and even 0% deal on the market now, they do tend to come with a slightly higher interest rate, and they have stricter eligibility criteria as well. So if you can, save a bigger deposit, try and give yourself the best chance possible, try and get into another loan bracket so you've got maybe a 10% deposit. And as I mentioned before, if you haven't already, open yourself a lifetime ISA to help you save. Use that bonus from the government and you'll be at your deposit goal in no time at all. Now, if you've got any questions or anything that I mentioned in today's video, please feel free to drop me a comment down below or give a member of our team a call on 01925 573 328. And I've also linked below a free first-time buyer brochure, which goes into more detail on everything mentioned in this video. So the link's in the description, go and check that out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.